Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahir Naeem and we are studying Management Information System. Today, so far we had covered 7 lecture and today is our 8th lecture. Title is Infrastructure. Infrastructure is basically the physical layout of the entities. So we will discuss the outline of our today lecture. First of all, we will discuss what is infrastructure. Then we will discuss architecture. Then we will discuss information architecture. Then we will discuss the components subsystem of computer based information system CBIS. Then we will discuss transaction processing system. Then we will discuss management information system. Then we will discuss support system, and then we will discuss office automation system. Then we will discuss decision support system or DSS, and then we will discuss the different types of DSS, and last but not the least we will discuss data warehouse. First of all, we will discuss what is infrastructure. Infrastructure is basically a set of interconnected structural elements that provide the framework for the supporting the entire structure. The term is used differently in a variety of fields like economics, where applied to a physical infrastructure. Information infrastructure typically consists of practical physical facilities, services, management that supports the all computing resources in organization. There are 5 major components of infrastructure, namely computer hardware, general purpose software, network and communication facilities, and databases, and information management personnel. And each of these components is designed in such a manner to collectively meet the need and objective of the organization. The infrastructure will include the detailed configuration of hardware, the design of the operating system, the documentation of the operational and application software, and the documentation on how to technically manage and operate the entire system. Infrastructure also includes the integration, operation, documentation, maintenance, and management of the component is defined in the infrastructure. It is a guideline to how specific computing resources are arranged, operated, and managed. So then we will discuss information architecture. And information architecture is basically the structural design of shared information environment. The art and science of organizing and labeling websites, intranets, online communities, and software to support usability. Information architecture refers to data modeling in analysis of the design of the information in the system, concentrating on entities and their interdependence. The components are subsystem of computer-based information system. There are components of CBIS consist of transaction processing system, the management information system, support systems, and the office automation and decision support system, and the knowledge system, executive. First of all, we will discuss transaction processing system. Transaction processing system is basically used to record transaction of routine and repetitive nature, like recording structures, placing customer order, billing customers. There are different features of transaction processing systems. Namely, basically it is a repetitive number crunching system where you repetitively the numbers help to cater the need of the operational level management. Basically, it is designed for the facilitation of operational level management, and it helps in rapid response. It increases the reliability of the overall system, and it is basically inflexible. Inflexibility means that it is basically a fixed system where it can operate normally in any kind of circumstances, and we can control the process. Our whole process is controlled, designed in such a way that it is the process is controlled, and the data processing, and all the data are processed. Is information management system. Management information system makes the information available to relevant user by producing predetermined and pre-designed reports required by the management. It helps the middle level management, planning, controlling, and decision making. The data stored can be used or manipulated to produce differently defined reports from predefined reports. It can be presented graphically or pictorially. And the application software can construct projection, build scenario, do what-if analysis to enable better decision making. Basically, it can present the information with the help of graph or with the help of pictures, and it also help us in creating the projection or the sales, or it can build scenarios, or it can help us cater in different circumstances. Example, I will give you example, just like a periodic report is a typical example of management information system, or grouping the exception together. So support system is basically classified into two categories. Office automation system is, we know that office automation system include formal and informal electronic system primarily concerned with the communication of information to and from person both inside and outside of the firm. Just like I will give you example of word processing, just as we are using normally as a MS Word or any other word processing, desktop publishing, or any other tools. So, and the other is decision support system. Decision support system is a system used to support managerial decision. Usually decision support system involve analysis of many units of the data in a heuristic fashion. As a rule, decision processing does not involve the update of the data. Heuristic means a particular technique of directing one attention in learning, discovery of problem solving. It assists in non-routine decision making process due to powerful analytical abilities. Here the example, just like a garment store pre-seasonal planning, like if there is summer or winter, so is we can measure customer reaction to repricing when initiate clearance sale for old stock, deciding about discount percentages. So then we will discuss decision support system. Decision support system, there are mainly two types of decision support system: model driven decision support system and data driven support system. Model driven decision support system uses different techniques. Like what-if analysis. What-if analysis means that we are checking the impact of change in assumption, input data on proposed solution. That here we check a situation, we assume a situation and check the performance of our proposed solution. And the other one is goal-seek analysis, where we attempt to find the value of input necessary to achieve a desired level of output. So data-driven decision support system. Here the system use large pool of data found in major organizational system. They help to extract information from large quantities of data stored. These systems rely on data warehouses created from data transaction processing system. There are different components of decision support system, namely two main components of decision support system. DSS database, basically it is a collection of current and historical data from internal and external sources. It can be massive data warehouses, while decision support software system is a set of software tools used for data analysis, like online analytical processing system, data mining tool, etc., which we have discussed in the next lecture. Last but not least, data warehouse. Data warehouse basically is a logical collection of information. It is gathered from many different operation databases used to create business intelligence that support business analysis activities and decision making tasks. It is primarily a record of enterprises past transactional and operational information stored in database designed to fair and efficient data analysis and reporting. The term data warehouse generally refers to combination of many different databases across an entire enterprise. Data warehouse contains a wide variety of data that presents a coherent picture of business condition at a single point in time. Data warehouses are generally batched, updated at end of the day, week or some period. Its contents are typically historical and static and may also contain numerous summaries. This is the reference. If you Thank you. If you have any question regarding today's lecture, please feel free to email me regarding your concern.